started out as an industrial engineer, early 1970s. I graduated with a bachelor's degree in industrial engineering. And then I finished my master's in manufacturing systems from University of St. Thomas in Minnesota. After that, I started to join the workforce in early 1976 with a company called Hitchcock Industries, an aerospace company at that time. And there I got involved with industrial engineering activities, progressively got into planning and materials management and production planning, and operation became my life. So for the last 30 years plus, I've had operation in my blood. I've gone through every single functional areas of responsibility you can imagine. I have had involvement in materials planning, materials procurement, logistics, production management, quality, logistics, inventory management, and conversion of systems in the early days from manual to automated systems. So in my opinion, operation has to be looked upon as one fully integrated system from sales all the way to shipping, and with one common theme, which is customer satisfaction. What happens, people really don't pay attention to the detail, and they get into problem solving right away. For every problem there is a root cause, and for root cause there is a process to fix. And that process is defined in all the textbook, but we fail to practice some of those things, and that's why I think most of the organizations suffer, because they get into so much into day-to-day firefighting and forget about fixing the root cause, so they don't have to deal with the same problem. I call it Band-Aid process, which is not the one I approve. I would tend to believe take your time and fix the process and fix the root cause. I've been in operation, like I said, for many years, and one of the things I have enjoyed doing is to make a few of the processes better. And how I see my position, whether I'm successful or not, is customer satisfaction. I believe in supplying a good product at a good value to our customer, which makes our sales team very happy, and which makes our management team very happy, because we are doing the best value processes. Basically have a process which I use for my own daily, weekly and monthly planning. I have reports which tells me how the business is doing on a daily, weekly and monthly basis, and I follow those key indicators. Those key indicators are very simple to follow. I follow what's is in my backlog in sales. I follow what is our production capacity and what we are doing on the shop floor to fulfill and meet those requirements for sales. I also have indicators on inventory, how much money we have tied into our raw materials and finished goods and working process, because all those expenses which I'm just talking about are expenses, and they can be curtailed to bare minimum if we do the planning right and production right and logistics right. It saves a company huge sums of money by doing the right thing at the right time. I believe in MRP, which is materials requirement planning, buying at the right time. I believe in production just in time, making it for the customer when they really need it, and shipping it on time when the customer is expected to get the product. These key indicators are very universal, very common, but I try to follow them on a daily, weekly. One of the things which I can go back to, and these are all factual things, we can see our on-time delivery from when I started in my position. Typically, our company at that time was shipping to our customer at an average of about 65 to 70% on time. Currently, we are shipping to our customer in the upper 90s, 98, 99% of the time. We are shipping to our customer on time when they requested to ship. That to me is a tremendous achievement, where we can move our on-time delivery to our customer from 65-70% to almost 98-99%. Inventory turns, when I took over, our inventory turns were in the range of 2 to 3 per year. Currently, we are running at about 7 inventory turns a year. That means we are turning our inventory every 7 to 8 weeks. Our returns is next to nothing. We have hardly any customer return. That means our quality going out the door is what customer expect. I would say these are good indicators which we can quantify